Alright friends, this is how I want you guys to go about conducting this grammar practice Google slide. So the first thing I want to do is remind you to click the drop down Zoom 100%, and then you should have your grammar practice. I've given you 2 sheets. I'd like you to complete both sheets for me today. The first sheet, I'm just going to show you kind of how to use the tools in Google Slides to answer all of this accordingly. You do not have to put your name if you do not want to, because it automatically tells me your name when you go onto this document. But looking right here, it says identify where a comma needs to be added in the sentence. So to add where the commas or comma should go, you're just going to click and you should be able to go in and add a comma wherever you think a comma is needed. Okay. Here it says fill in the correct punctuation mark at the end of the sentence. You should be able to click on it, and you can add any punctuation mark that you feel is needed to complete the sentence, what properly completes the sentence. Right here it says circle the complete sentence below. Now, to access the circle feature, you are going to click Insert, Shape, go over to Shapes, click Shapes. You should be able to click a circle or an oval or whatever, okay? And if I want to circle the complete sentence, I just click and drag. So if I think the complete sentence, so my 2 sentences are at the mall or I saw an adorable puppy at the mall. Well, I know that this bottom one is the complete sentence, so I'm just going to click and drag my circle. And to get that white part to go away, see how the circle is selected? Up here, this fill button, you're going to click transparent. Boom. Done. So that's how you go about creating circles. Again, I'll do that again for you. Insert, Shape, Shapes, Oval, click, drag, fill, transparent. And if even you wanted to create a circle here and then move it around, you can. You can change the size. Down here, I know a couple of them. Let me zoom out here for a little bit. Let me zoom out. I know, well, where did my circle just go? Right here we go. My circle's right here. If I wanted to move the circle up here, I could. If I did not want to go through creating all those new circles, I could just select the circle, hit Control C on my keyboard, and then click Control V. It copies that circle, so I don't need to go through all those steps again. So you can go through the Insert, Shape, Circle, Fill, Transparent, or once you have one circle created, you can just click Control C, Control V, and it will copy and paste your circles for you. All right, we are going to be going over this with your, or during the Zoom today. So if you have any additional questions, please don't be afraid to reach out. But if you are not on the Zoom, you are still responsible for getting this done. This is going to be a graded assignment. All right, guys, good luck, and I'll talk to you soon.